As you can see, we got quite a bit of snow yesterday. So that means it's time to get the loboy fired up and see if it'll push any. The most I plowed with that thing so far this year was about 3 inches. This is probably, places it's close to a foot deep. So, got it all prepared, got tire chains on it, got weights on the plow for gravity down. That's all that's left is to see if it'll fire up. It is cold today. I think the high for today is like 19. So, we got a breeze going here, so it's gonna be a true cold start. As you can see, engine is completely, well, not completely, but it's got some snow on it. It's on the exhaust, so it's proof that it has not ran at all today. It hasn't ran yesterday either, so here we go. Battery up. Cycle the glow plugs. Do full throttle. Hopefully it'll start. No. I gotta get the battery charger hooked up. Cycle the plugs once again. Here we go. Let her warm up for a little bit. it didn't do too bad. Definitely got it plowed, but once I did a couple passes here that way, and when I was going down that way, I had the plow pivoted, and it was too much, getting to be too much weight. It was just pushing the front of the loboy to the side. So that's why I had to straighten the plow and just push it like that. But all in all, she didn't do too bad. We did break some things though. So the plow itself did exceptionally well. It handles it pretty good, except like I said, once it gets to be too much weight, of course it just pushes it off to the side. It pushes great when it's straight like that, but when I have it pivoted to the side, yeah, it's too much weight. But let's get into what we broke. So off camera, when I was plowing our neighbor's driveway, actually the clutch linkage broke, which is right there. That linkage broke. I'll throw a picture up right here. You can see in that picture there where it was circled is where it broke. So I took it off, brought it down, I got that welded up and got that part fixed. Didn't have any more issues with that yet. And if you look at this side compared to this side, you might be noticing one difference between the two, and that would be that bar. She's gone. And you guys probably noticed when I was plowing this side, you guys probably saw it hanging underneath the loboy. I have it sitting over there. Let's go over and see what happens. So, as you can see, she's pretty mangled up there. And this is my mounting that I had. It mounted onto the bottom of the bracket here. You can see right there where I had a piece of a pipe welded on, and then I had a pin that went through these two, and that piece that was welded on there was in between here, and then the pin just went through the whole thing. That made taking this on an awful lot easier, because they just pull a pin out, drop it down, I take the plow out, take the bolt out up here. You know, it made it a lot easier, but it seems as if that ain't gonna work, because you can see, broke that off, and then I had this twisted around underneath there, bent that all around, so I'm gonna have to straighten that out. But I can't believe that this side broke and not that side, because I had pipes welded onto that. This side is just washers that I welded on. I thought for sure that would be the first one to break, but apparently there was more stress on this side of the plow than that one. So, oh well, it is what it is. We figured it out now, and we'll improve it for the next time. This was a good test on it, because we got about 8 inches of snow here at least. And, you know, for that thing to do so good with it, it's actually pretty impressive. You know, of course we break some things, but when you're testing and build things untested, and, you know, first time you use it, you're bound to have things break. Of course, I did plow 3 inches with it already, and 3 inches was nothing for it. But this is a lot more than 3 inches here. So it is what it is, and we'll improve it for the next time. But she did pretty good.